Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're having a really good sale going on Boost Mobile. It says discover Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, the Z Flip 3 5G, and the Samsung S21 FE. They are up to 50% off right now on Samsung phones through boostmobile.com. So let's go ahead and check it out, guys. Really good promotion where if you wanted to get a Samsung phone, of course these phones are pretty expensive. But if you can get half off on them, it's definitely worth it. So let's go ahead and click Shop Deals. So same thing, they're advertising everywhere. Here it is. Check this out, guys. This phone's S21 FE 5G, really good phone. My mom actually has this phone. $700 you can get for $350, guys. Really cool, half off, really good promotion. Now this phone right here, you get $400 off. So the S21 FE, you get $350 off. Let's go ahead and see real quick what it is that you get for that. So of course, like I said, $700 for this phone. You're saving $350, half off on it. 6.4-inch display, 12 megapixel camera, 33 hours of talk time, 128 gigs of storage, Android 12, and of course is 5G, guys. Really good phone. I love this phone. I believe it does have the 120 hertz display, beautiful colors as well. So here it is, different colors, black and the lavender are usually the ones I see, but the green and the white are pretty cool too. I would probably rock that white, if not that black for sure. So here it is, pretty cool. Inspiring design, metal detailing, and it will boost your fan vibe. So let's say the FE stands for Fan Edition, so that's what it is, It says, of course, it has a really big battery, which is good. You can go without a night of charging, just depends how much you use the phone. It does do wireless charging. That's another thing that a lot of people, when they say it has S21 FE, they kind of like, does it even do wireless charging? Because, it's not just an S21 or S22. Yes, it does do wireless charging, of course, and super fast charging on that. So pretty cool. Another cool thing is people love gaming, so this is level up your gaming, live streaming, video editing, and social content. The fast processing power you expect from Galaxy 5G and faster graphic rendering. You can do more of what you love from the palm of your hand. So really cool if you do like to game. Of course, Samsung's known for their screens. This dazzling strong and oh so smooth. Yep, 120 hertz display, guys. Gorilla Glass. Really cool. Like I said, not going to go too much into detail, but just kind of want to show you what you're getting for your money. Profile-worthy photos every time, of course, does have the triple camera setup. Lets you snap portraits that look so good. Even the most camera-shy friends will want to be center photo. So it's pretty cool. Check it out. So it does do like 3 different things here. Looks sharp tonight. Of course, it does have the night mode, which just brightens the picture even in dark areas. I love that feature. My phone has it, and I use it a lot, especially at nighttime. Finally, let's just look at the specs. 4,500 milliamp battery, up to 33 hours of talk time, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of memory. Really good specs. Snapdragon 888, guys, really good. I mean, that's basically the latest Snapdragon, compared the top tier ones, at least currently. So for that price, guys, you're getting a steal. I might actually have to get this phone. 12 megapixel dual pixel, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 8 megapixel telephoto with 30 times space zoom rear camera, 32 megapixel front facing selfie camera. Wow. 6.4-inch Infinity O display, FHD plus dynamic AMOLED 2 times 2400 by 1080, 120 hertz refresh rate, which is really good. So pretty cool, guys. I'd say this is definitely a buy. This would be on my radar. Let's do ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is on the screen. Wireless power share, wireless charging. Like I said, this definitely is on my top phones. I would definitely get this, hands down. Just go get this phone. And then, of course, we have the Z Flip 5G and the Fold. So this phone's $1,000, guys. You get for $600. So really good. You can get it in the black, which is out of stock, or the cream. You put a case on it. Who cares? 6.7-inch, of course, display, 12 megapixel camera, 26 hours of talk time, so quite a little bit lower than the S21 FE, because you get to think about it, the phone folds, so the battery only goes, I believe, down here, so you can't have a really big battery in this phone. That's one big complaint from us selling this phone, is that the battery life is not that good. It kind of sucks on it, but it does do pretty cool. Android 11, of course, I believe that is now Android 12 updated to 128 gigs of storage. Of course, the cool thing about it is it can flip. It's a very small, compact design. A lot of ladies love this phone. It just looks stunning. It does have a really good camera, as you can see. It is engineered to endure, so it looks like water resistant, not waterproof, but definitely water resistant. And let's just look at the specs real quick. 3300 milliamp battery, like I said, versus 4500 milliamp battery. Quite a difference. So just know if you're getting this phone, battery life might suffer. 8 gigs of RAM, which is good. 128 gigs of memory. Does have, look at that, the octa-core 2.84 gigahertz plus a 2.42 gigahertz plus a 1.8 gigahertz Snapdragon 888. Pretty cool. Android 11 camera is a 12 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 times digital zoom. So it does do just a digital zoom, not an actual lens. 10 megapixel selfie camera. The display is the main 6.7 dynamic AMOLED 2 times Infinity Flex display, 120 hertz adaptive refresh rate, which is really good. 10 watt wireless charging, 15 watt fast wire charging, and 4.5 wireless power share. So pretty cool. Like I said, nice design. You'll like it. It's good and compact. Now we're getting to the big boy right here, which is Samsung Z Fold 3 5G, guys. Good lord. Not many people have popped this phone, as you can tell. Just at $1,800, it's kind of hard, especially on prepaid, to pay that much. I mean, if you're paying $2,000, I mean, you can get almost a car for that, you know? Well, I don't know about with the market right now, but you know what I mean. So right now, though, you're saving $700 off this phone. So instead of paying $1,800, you're paying $1,100, which is a steal in my eyes. 7.6 inch display, 12 megapixel camera, 35 hours of talk time, which is great. 256 gigabytes of memory, and Android 11, which will be updated to 12. It does have a triple camera setup. Pretty cool, of course. It folds. You can use the phone when it's closed up like this. It does have a regular display, but of course, the main attraction is when you open this big boy up. Mainly, it can be used more for work, productivity, and stuff like that. Samsung Z Fold 5G. A theater, a workspace, and a game room folded into your pocket. Really cool. So like I said, real cool. You can have dual screen mode on there, so you can be drawing on one side and doing fashion on the other. It's pretty cool. You can do, of course, this phone's meant for multitasking. Premium craftsmanship inside and out. It does feel premium. As you can see, you can be watching Netflix on the big screen, which is definitely good. I mean, if you don't want to, basically this is a mixture between a tablet and a phone. Real cool for gaming or watching Netflix or anything else. So I like to watch anime. I'd be watching it on this phone if I wanted it. This have a 4400 milliamp battery. Talk time up to 35 hours. Non-removable battery. 12 gigs of RAM. Wow. 256 gigs of memory. Processor is a 2.84 gigahertz plus a 2.42 gigahertz plus a 1.8 gigahertz Snapdragon 888. Wow. So definitely does good with octa-cores. The cameras are 12 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 10 times digital zoom. Front facing is a 10 megapixel selfie camera, 4 megapixel under display camera. Whoa. Pretty sneezy. The display, the main is a 7.6 dynamic AMOLED 2 times Infinity Flex display, 120 hertz adaptive refresh rate. Oh God. So once fully opened, it is a 7.6. Covers the 6.2 dynamic AMOLED 2 times with a 120 hertz adaptive refresh rate. So the front is a 6.2, and then once it's fully opened, 7.6. Pretty cool. It does weigh 9.56 ounces. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, Samsung Pay, 10 watt wireless charging, 25 watt super fast wire charging, and a 4.5 watt wireless power share. So lots to think about, guys. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Like I said, it's this weekend only, so better go ahead and get these deals while they last. So thank you for watching. Dragon of Warfare sign off. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want to support the channel, check out the description below. A lot more videos coming your way. Trust me. It's going to be a busy week, but we got more stuff for you.